Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you how to connect your GBARL with your phone and the app. As you can see here, we have the app already downloaded. There are three different ways that you can download this app. The first one is with your user manual. You have your code here, you just scan it and you can download it, or you can just go to the Play Store, search Lefun Health, and you can download it like that as well. Or you can go to your smartwatch, you have your QR code here, and you can scan it from your watch, download it without any problem. So let's go and open the app, and the first thing we need to do is to allow the Bluetooth to turn on. Now we have to allow Lefun Health to take pictures and record videos, to our file, photos and media, to the device location, to access contacts, to make phone calls, phone call logs, messages, and that's all. While we are doing all the allowment, the device has found here in the phone, we have Lefun. As you can see now, is connected. Here we have all the data loading for today. We have steps, distance, and burn calories here with the date here. As you know, we can change the date, so we can compare, for example, today with yesterday. Next we have total steps, distance, burn calories, hours of sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure. In the top left corner we have the settings for Lefun that is connected: shake for selfie, synchronize all data, message reminder, band function setting, smart alarm, and storage device. In the right top corner we have the share button. As you can see, we can share with multiple apps. Next we have sport. As you can see, we have different sports here. We press go, it will start to measure our heart rate, our burn calories, the time will be showing right here, and the miles or kilometers per hour. Here we have the sport history, and we have the settings for sport, sport target, and countdown setting. Next we have trend, which you can see here. We have all the statistic for steps, mileage, calorie, sleep meter, heart rate, and blood pressure. As you can see, we can monitor our statistic for 1 day, week, month, or year. And the last one is my data, which is the profile page. We have our profile here, average steps, maximum steps, and we have total. We have personal data, my device, target, settings, help, and about. As you can see, we have plenty of options to customize for ourselves. So this app really does have more options than you thought when you see just the unboxed video for the GBARL smart bracelet. Let's go to the settings, and we have to customize our notification or message. As we can see, we have to allow first Lefun Health to notify us. And here we have some of the apps that this watch support. We have SMS reminder, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and call reminder as well. So these are what I use. If you use QQ message or WeChat or these two on the bottom, you can turn them on without any problem. So now let's see how the notification will come in the JBRL. As you can see here, it's vibrating and telling us that we have a notification from Chathead Facebook. And if you can see here, I have the Chathead here and the notification are coming great. So the notification does work. All the message are coming in the watch, and that's what does matter. So guys, thank you for your time. This was all for the JBRL smartwatch. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next time.